Productivity Commission's latest report delivers a sobering assessment of Australia's education system, even as the federal government finalizes agreements with states to achieve full funding for public schools. Three key findings highlight the challenges and limited successes within the sector. The report underscores persistent and significant disparities in educational outcomes for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander students across all school types and year length. A concerning trend reveals a decline in school attendance among this population. The 2024 attendance rate stands at a mere 76.9%, marking the second lowest figure in the past decade, representing a drop from 77.4% in 2023. This alarming statistic necessitates immediate attention and targeted interventions to address the underlying factors contributing to this concerning trend. The report's data also reveal 9% of students choosing this option in 2023. This figure is particularly alarming when considering the disproportionate reliance of marginalized communities on the public school system. Government schools enroll almost 3 times the number of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander students compared to private schools, and more than double the number of students from low socioeconomic backgrounds. This stark disparity highlights the crucial role government schools play in providing equitable access to education for vulnerable populations. The unequal distribution of resources and opportunities between public and private sectors exacerbates existing inequalities and demands urgent policy reforms to address the systemic issues that perpetuate this imbalance. The report also acknowledges a significant policy intervention aimed at improving accessibility. In July 2023, the Labour government implemented reforms to the childcare subsidy system. These reforms aim to alleviate financial burdens for families across all income levels by reducing childcare expenses for families with one child enrolled in 30 hours of care per week. This initiative is a key component of the government's broader strategy towards achieving universal access to affordable childcare. While the long-term impact of these reforms remains to be fully assessed, the report suggests early signs of positive effects, particularly in terms of increased affordability and improved access to childcare for low- and middle-income families. However, the report cautions against premature conclusions, emphasizing the need for ongoing monitoring and evaluation to fully understand the effectiveness of this policy in achieving its stated goals and addressing existing inequities in access to quality early childhood education. Further analysis is required to determine the extent to which these reforms successfully mitigate existing inequalities and improve outcomes for children from disadvantaged backgrounds, particularly within the context of the overall challenges facing the Australian education system. The full impact of these childcare reforms will unfold over time, necessitating continuous evaluation and adaptive strategies to optimize their effectiveness and ensure equitable benefits. The interplay between childcare access and educational attainment underscores the interconnectedness of these two critical sectors and the need for coordinated policy interventions to promote positive outcomes for children throughout their developmental journey.